Good afternoon. Good evening. Sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Where were you yesterday, Zishan?
I am.
Huh? Huh?
I
Forgot.
forgot.
You forgot that you had class.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So today we have only 16 participants. Yes. Okay. Today, so we are going to continue with the lesson that we started yesterday. We started the new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The travels of Ravina Auntie. Yes. Okay. Okay. Johan. The travels of Ravina Auntie. Okay. And what did we see in that lesson? What did we see in the lesson? The travels of Ravina Auntie. Johan, can you please mute your mic? Yes, Angelina, what did we see in the lesson, the travels of Ravina Auntie?
Coming from.
Who is going to tell us what was the lesson about? The travels of Ravina Auntie. No one. Yes, Mayuka. Hmm. Huh. Last week. Huh. Yes.
Preeti and Priya. Like very much.
Okay. The story is about two girls, Preeti and Priya, and they like Ravina Auntie very much. Ravina Auntie was coming to visit them that day. They like Ravina Auntie because Ravina Auntie used to tell them a lot of stories. She used to travel a lot. She worked for a magazine, so she used to travel a lot. So she used to come back home and tell these girls stories about these new places, interesting facts about these new places, and they used to like hearing these new stories. So Ravina Auntie was their favorite aunt, and in the same way, Auntie also liked these two girls. Okay. So we stopped where Preeti is asking Ravina Auntie, where were you before you came to visit us? Okay, that is where we stopped. So shall we continue from there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I will start from the beginning once again.
Ma'am, page number
36. Okay. Ravina Auntie is coming this evening, said Mummy. Preeti and Priya jumped with joy. She was their favorite aunt. She had many interesting tales to tell. She worked for a magazine and traveled a lot. Ravina Auntie reached at 5 o'clock. Hello, my favorite girls, she said. Come in, Auntie, said Priya. We were waiting to hear your stories. Yes, I have many. Mahadevan, all this while you were roaming around somewhere when I was talking about the lesson and the page number. And now when I have started, you're coming and asking me which page number.
Page number 6.
Huh?
Page number 6. Page number 36. Page number 36. Page number 36.
Why are we uploading in the YouTube? So if you're absent, you can see. So if you're absent, please make sure you see those videos and come for the next class. Otherwise, you will not understand what we are doing. Okay. Come in, Auntie, said Priya. We were waiting to hear your stories. Yes, I do have many stories to share, said Auntie. Auntie, where have you come from? Asked Priya. This is where we stopped and we are going to continue from here. I had gone to a desert. I went there with my friend. He is a photographer. He wanted to click photographs of the rising and setting sun. It was very hot in the day and cold at night. We had to travel on a camel as cars would get stuck in the sand. Before that, I was in the mountains, said Auntie. So Auntie is answering back to Preeti's question, where have you come from? And she says, I had gone to the desert. What is a desert?
The land covered with sand.
Yes, it is completely
The land covered with sand.
There are no plants, or minimum plants will be there. You will not get to see many animals.
Cactus.
What? Yes, only cactus. Very good. What animal can you see in the desert?
Camel.
Camel. Yes, camel is one of the animals. You will not be able to see many animals or plants in the desert. It is completely covered with sand, and she is telling that she had gone there with a friend of hers who is a photographer, and he wanted to click pictures of the rising sun and the setting sun. That's why he had gone to the desert along with Ravina Auntie. And she is also telling them that over there in the daytime it is very hot and at night it is very cold. So there is a variation of temperature. And she's saying that to travel in the desert, they had to use the camel. Why they had to use the camel? Because the car would get stuck in the sand. It's covered with so much of sand that the car tires would not move in that sand. So they had to travel on the back of a camel.
Some car will go in sand.
Yes, four-wheel drives will go. Yes, yes. Next, she is telling them that before I went to the desert, I was in the mountain. Before she went to the desert, she had gone to the mountain. Okay, so now I want Heidelin read yesterday. RF, please read the first paragraph. Have you understood this part where she's telling she had gone to the desert? Did you understand the second paragraph? I'm asking all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So read from the first Arav.
I will read.
After Arav, you can read, Johan.
Ravina Auntie is coming this evening.
Arav, please use the headset or read louder.
Ravina Auntie is coming this evening, said Mummy. Prida and Priya jumped with joy. She was their favorite auntie. She had many interesting tales to tell. She worked for a magazine and traveled a lot. Ravina Auntie reached at 5 o'clock. One of my favorite girls, she said. Come in, Auntie, said Priya. We were waiting to hear your stories. Yes, I do have many stories to share, said Auntie.
Okay. Yes, Johan.
Ma'am,
Johan. Yes, Johan.
Ravina Auntie is coming this evening, said Mummy. Priya jumped with joy. She was their
Favorite
auntie. She had many interesting tales lot, Ravina Aunty.
Yes.
At 5 o'clock. Hello, my favorite girls, she said. Come in, Andy, said Priya. We were waiting to hear your story. Yes, I do have many stories to share, said Andy.
Okay. Listen. I don't want this in between. I will call out your names.
Andy,
Continue from there.
Andy, where?
Yes, Johan, you can stop. Zishan, continue from where he stopped.
Okay, ma'am. Auntie, where have you come from? Asked Pretty. I had gone to a desert. I went there with my friend. He is a photographer. He wanted to click photograph of the rising sun and setting sun. It was very hot in the day and cold at night. We had to travel on a camel as care would get stuck in the sand.
Okay, yes, very good. Yes, Angelina.
Ravina Auntie is coming this evening, said Mummy. Preeti and Priya jumped with joy. She was their favorite aunt. She had many interesting tales to tell. She worked for a magazine and traveled a lot. Ravina Auntie reached at 5 o'clock. Hello, my favorite girls, she said. Come in, Auntie, said Priya. We were waiting to hear your stories. Yes, I do have many stories to share, said Auntie. Auntie will have to come from? Asked Pretty.
Okay,
I had gone to
Devanandan. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Auntie, where have you come from? Asked Preeti. I had gone to a desert. I went.
It's not desert, it's desert.
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 Desert. I went there with my friend. He is a photographer. He wanted to click photographs of the rising and setting sun. It was very hot in the day and cold at night. We had to travel on a camel as cars would get stuck in the sand.
Okay, very good. Yes. So yesterday we wrote a word meaning. What was the word?
Magazine.
Magazine. What is the meaning of magazine?
A book and pictures.
A book with articles and pictures.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't do it. And pictures.
Who was present yesterday? Satik, what is the spelling of magazine? Don't look into the book.
MAIX. And there's nothing. Ma'am, आप बिना से.
I cannot hear you, Satik.
Ma'am, आप बिना से. said
Twitter, what is the spelling of magazine?
Ma'am,
Okay,
बिना
Johan,
से.
tell me.
Ma'am, there's nothing. And there's nothing. No.
Johan, tell me. All others, please keep quiet. Yes, Johan. Magazine. Okay, very good. Now take your rough book. Take your rough book.
I'm not seeing.
I know. 1 second. I will share the board. Okay. Have you taken your rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give you 3 words. You have to make sentences with those words. Okay? Make your own sentences. First word, magazine. Second word, interesting. And third word, desert. I will give you 5 minutes. Make sentences.
And then finish. And then finish.
Devanandan, please wait. There are others to finish. Magazine, interesting, desert. 3 words.
And then finish.
Brinda, I don't even see a pencil in your hand. What are you doing? Not writing?
My third word.
Third word, desert. Okay.
Man,
Yes, yes. Okay.
And
Desert.
then
Third word is
finish.
desert. Devanandan, tell me your word. Your
Desert.
with
And third word is
desert and desert.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me your sentence with magazine.
Okay, ma'am. I have many magazine books.
It is not magazine. It is magazine. Magazine.
Okay, ma'am.
I have many magazines.
magazine books.
Okay. You don't have to say magazine book because magazine is a book. I have many magazines.
Ma'am.
Yes, Zishan.
Third one.
No, I want with magazine. How many? Angelina, tell me your sentence with magazine.
Ma'am,
One second.
My daddy is reading magazine.
Okay. Yes, Zishan.
This book is very interesting.
Okay, that is with interesting. Anybody else with magazine? Heidelin?
A lot of magazine.
Okay. Mayuka? Wait, when somebody is speaking, others please keep quiet. Yes, Mayuka.
I write a poem for our school.
Not
magazine.
school.
School.
School magazine.
School magazine.
Okay, very good. I wrote a poem for a school magazine. Yes, Johan.
I read magazine.
I read the magazine. Abhinav, yes, tell me.
I was waiting for my favorite magazine in every Saturday.
Okay, I wait for my favorite magazine every Saturday.
Ma'am, I read interesting.
Wait. Rida, tell me.
Ma'am, using magazine.
What is it?
Using magazine.
Using magazine. I can't understand what you're saying. Okay, second word is interesting. Interesting. Satik, tell me.
Ma'am, I not write.
Written. Okay. Niranjan?
Ma'am, I write the first one. Magazine.
No, magazine I don't want. I want interesting. Niranjan, tell me with interesting.
Maths is an interesting subject.
Very good. Maths is an interesting subject.
And
okay.
then
Johan, I told you when I am asking somebody else, please don't shout in between. No, Johan, I gave you a chance. Yes, Arav? Arav, tell me interesting. Johan, please mute your mic. Johan, mute your mic. Yes, Arav, tell me.
I interest seeing cartoon.
Huh?
I interest seeing cartoon.
Interesting is the word. Interesting.
I interest.
Interesting.
I interest. Interesting. Ma'am, you watch TV.
No. Devanandan, interesting.
Yes, ma'am. My grandmother tell me very interesting stories.
Okay, my grandmother tells me interesting stories. Angelina.
Ma'am, my mummy tell interesting stories.
Okay, fine. Now desert. Last word. Desert. Desert.
Ma'am, Zishan.
Yes, Zishan. Desert.
I saw a camel in the desert.
I saw a camel in the desert. Okay, very good. Rida, desert.
My grandparents will travel to desert in this evening.
What is it?
My grandparents will travel to desert in this evening.
No. You cannot travel to the desert in the evening. That's not the correct sentence. Anybody else with desert? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, Abhinav. Ma'am, Abhinav.
One second, Abhinav. Yes, Angelina.
My aunt go to the desert.
Okay, not very happy with that sentence. Yes, Abhinav.
I travel desert in last year.
Okay, I traveled to a desert last year. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Devanandan.
Okay, Devanandan, tell me.
I saw a desert at the newspaper.
And then all your pronunciations are going wrong. Magazine, desert. I told you that's wrong. Desert is something else and desert is something else. They're two different.
Okay, ma'am. I saw a desert in a newspaper.
Okay, I saw the picture of a desert in the newspaper. Okay. So, okay, good. Almost all sentences. Johan, what about desert?
Ma'am, Ahmad. Ma'am, Ahmad.
Ahmad, yes, tell me, Ahmad, yes.
The camel live in the desert.
Camels live in the desert. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, Hadley.
Huh? Ah, yes, Hadley.
I have a picture of desert.
I have the picture of a desert. Okay. So why did Ravina auntie travel to the desert?
His friend wants to take the rising sun.
Not his, her friend wanted to take pictures of the rising and setting sun. Okay. Why did they have to travel on a camel?
Their car stuck in the sand.
It was not their car. Cars will get stuck in the sand. That is why they traveled by camel. And before she went to the desert, where did she go?
To a mountain.
To the mountains. Okay, very good. So this is where we will stop today. We will wind up here for today. The rest of the story we will continue in the next class. Okay? Yes. So thank you. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank